Welcome to all on Sethi. In today's session, one of case study questions for CBSE board purpose. CBSE board purpose. In this case, I will discuss three questions: application derivatives, probability, and area using integration. Case study 1. The relation between the height of y in respect to sunlight is governed by the following equation: y equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 x square, where x is the number of days exposed to the sunlight. Find the rate of growth of plant with respect to sunlight. So dy by dx we have to find out in this case. Dy by dx 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2x. That is 4 minus x. This is the number. Rate of growth. Right? What is the number of days it will take for plant to grow maximum height? For maximum height, dy by dx equal to 0, that is critical point, x equal to 4 days. Okay. What is the maximum height? Maximum height will be, in this case, we know y equal to 4x minus 1 by 2, 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. So that is 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into 16, that is 8. Maximum height will be this. To check it, whether it is maximum or not. Second error, d square y over dx square will be equal to dy by dx is 4 minus x, that is minus 1. That is less than 0, therefore maxima, right, at x equal to 4. Now, if the height of the planet is 7 by 2 centimeter, the number of days it has been exposed to the sunlight, y equal to, it is given to you, y equal to, that question given, y equal to 4x minus 1 by 2x square. 4x minus 1 by 2x square. 7 by 2. I think it is 7 by 2. Then 4x minus 1 by 2x square. Then 7 equal to 8x minus x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. X minus 1, x minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 1 or x equal to 7. This will be rejected. Region is very clear. Maximum is 4. So x equal to 1 will be the correct answer. Now in this case, I will clear the concepts applicable. Application derivative. Function is given y equal to fx. Now, function, the equation is to be differentiated, which is to be maximized or minimized. Which is to be maximized or minimized. The equation is to be differentiated, which is to maximize or minimize. Suppose displacement is given to you in terms of ft. We have to maximize velocity. So this will not be the function. Make it ds by dt. This will be the velocity ft. Vt, then we have to maximize it. For critical points, f dash equal to 0. To check, two methods are there. First derivative check and second derivative check. First derivative test, if x naught is the critical point, f dash x naught plus, f dash x naught minus. Slightly right, slightly left. It is greater than 0, it is less than 0. Minima. If it is less than 0 or greater than 0, then maxima. Second derivative test. F double dash X naught less than 0, maximum. F double dash X naught greater than 0, minima. At X equal to X naught critical point. To find maximum or minimum value, put critical point in the given function which was differentiated, right? This is all about the question, additional information. Second case, the figure shows the newspaper in two languages. Hindi and English. In hostel, 60% of those students read the Hindi paper, 40% English paper. 60% Hindi paper, Hindi 60%, English 40%, right? English, the newspaper 40% read the English, you have 20% read both. H intersection E, 20%, right? This is a given. Now we have to find it out. The probability that she reads Hindi or English, PE union H, that is PE plus PH minus PE intersection H. 60 means 60 by 10. That is, it's going to be 0.6 plus 0.4 minus 0.2. That is 0.8, right? That comes out to be 0.8. Next, find the probability that she reads neither English nor Hindi. Means second part. Neither Hindi nor English. Means we have to find H bar intersection H bar. Then according to De Morgan's law, according to De Morgan's law, you get P H bar intersection E bar, that will be equal to P H union E bar, that is 1 minus P H union E bar, that comes out to be 1 minus H union E bar is 0.8. This comes out to be 0.2. 0.2, right? That's one of the answers. This is one of the answers. Third part. If she reads Hindi, find the probability she reads English. Means this is a case of conditional probability. Third case, conditional probability. In conditional probability, E by H. She means probability of reading English when it is confirmed that she reads Hindi, right? That will be equal to PE intersection H over PH. P intersection H over PH. P intersection H is given to you. That is 20%. 20 divided by 60. 20 divided by PH कितना है हमारा? Hindi 60. So this comes out to be 1 by 3, right? Fourth part. If she reads English, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper. In this case, it is a case of conditional probability. Conditional probability means P, if she reads English is confirmed. H by E. H by E. That is P H intersection E divided by PE. That is 0.2 divided by 0.6, I think 0.6. 0.4 is not PE. PE is 40. So taken as 40. Is it 0.2 divided by 0.4? That is 1 by 2. That is the answer. Now in this case, I will over revise the things. Value of probability is always less than equal to 1. Right? Value of probability is always between in this case and in this case. Second, conditional probability P A over B, meaning conditional probability of A when it is confirmed that B has occurred. We have discussed that there. Independent events में P A intersection B equal to P A into P B. These are the questions, right? And one is Bayes theorem that I have discussed in detail. You can go through the channel Sethi Shift Learn. Right? Now I will discuss the next question. Case study. This image shows the banana with is over headed by a knife. This is the knife. In this case, we have considered the line. This is the banana. This is equivalent to parabola. Right? We have to find equation of line is given, equation of parabola. Graph is drawn here. Find the point of intersection of line and parabola. Line is first part. Line is x equal to 4y minus 2 and parabola is x square equal to 4y. Eliminating y. This comes out to be x equal to 4y की जगह x square minus 2 on simplification x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. This comes out to be x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. This is x value of the. If x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, y equal to x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 4. This is minus 1, 1 by 4. And if x equal to 2, y comes out to be 4, 1. Yeah, I got 2, 1. These are the point of intersection line and parabola. Second part. Find the area of the line. Area of the line means y dx line. It will start from minus 2 to, this will start from minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. That comes out to be x by 2. We have to y in terms of x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 1 to 2 dx. Simple integration, simple limits for substitution. On simplification, this comes out to be 15 by 8 square units. I will not go to this calculation. Third, find the area of the parabola. Area of the parabola say minus 1 to d y dx parabola, reduce y in terms of x to minus 1 to 2. This comes out to be minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2. Correct. This is complete area. Shaded shaded plus area of line, area of parabola. Area of parabola, that is only this one. Now, area of shaded region will be second minus third, right? On simplification, this comes out to be 3 by y dx, y dx square by 4, x square by 4 dx. On simplification, we get 3 by 4 square units, right? Next part, fourth part, parabola and line. We have to find area shaded region of the figure. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. That will be shaded plus minus this one. That will be the shaded region. This is the area due to line. Area due to line and area due to parabola. Line and area due to parabola. On further simplification, we get this answer was 15 by 8 and this was 3 by 4. On simplification, this was 15 by 8 minus 3 by 4. On simplification, 9 by 8 square unit. Right, now I will discuss in detail further again. This is the topic area using integration. First step is sketch. Sketch is given here. Then find the point of intersection. Find the point of intersection and draw projection on x-axis. If on x-axis, then they take y dx. Move from left to right. Take the lower limit this, upper limit. If projection y-axis, then x dy represent, right? Now, after finding the point, identify the shaded region. Shaded region there are two possibilities. Exactly shaded region may be the answer. It may be like this. Combination of this minus combination of that, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates from concept killing videos on through illustration. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.